Hello, welcome to Muckman Movies. I've just got home from work and found something on the doorstep. Stay tuned to find out what was waiting for me when I got home. Yeah, so this is a quick video to open this package. It's an unboxing. I think this is due out on Monday, so I'm quite surprised I got this today. Might be wrong, but I'm pretty certain this comes out next week. So without further ado, let's see what is in here, which came from Amazon. And yes, it is Night of the Juggler by Radiance. A lot of people have been waiting in anticipation for this. It's a crime thriller about an ex-cop, tough ex-cop, who's searching for his daughter who's been kidnapped by a psychotic killer, I think, who thinks the daughter belongs to a wealthy businessman, but she doesn't. She belongs to an ex-cop. So, yeah, it stars Josh Brolin's dad, James Brolin. It was filmed in 1980, came out in 1980 by Robert Butler. And this is, lots of people have been wanting this to come out for a long time. It's quite a renowned action thriller, crime thriller. So let's open this up from Radiance. I mean, you can tell already it's a very sturdy box that it comes in. I'm not sure what this is limited to. Doesn't say on the O strip, don't think. Nope. So there's the O strip with the synopsis and everything on the back. And then you've got this really nice hard box that looks like they're doing something similar to who does this? Like, this makes it easier to get I think it's Vinegar Syndrome, isn't it? So that's the back. Then you've got, so yeah, ultra sturdy. Look how thick that box is. So if you want to pick this up, I suggest you pick it up quite soon, because I think it will go out of print pretty quickly. So you've got the film in a slip with different artwork, which is pretty cool. And then on the back of the slip, more artwork, different artwork on the Amaray case. This is the 4K and Blu-ray, so it's dual format. Would have been nice for a bit of internal artwork, but I think a lot of this, maybe the poster and what have you, can go in there. So there's that. Here's the poster. In landscape form, which is from the front of the box. It's a pretty cool design, that. In the heart of every victim is a hero, and he'll tear apart a city to prove it. So I'd not even heard of this film before Radiance announced they were going to release it. And you got some like lobby art cards, I presume. Hopefully they'll just go in the case. Let's take them off. You got the art cards. Hopefully there's no spoilers in these art cards, because I've never seen it. There's James Brolin, who starred in Capricorn 1 and Amityville Horror. Quite a few art cards there, lobby cards, whatever you want to call them. Is there anything on the back? No, nothing on the back. And then you get a nice little booklet. With some more stills from the film. Some essays. So when you look on Letterboxd, it generally gets 4 out of 5 from all the reviewers on Letterboxd. So it looks like it could be a bit of a cracker. So there you go. That's Night of the Juggler, released by Radiance. Pick it up now before it goes out of print, because I'm sure the price of this on eBay will skyrocket. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more content. Hit that subscribe button if you're not subscribed, and hit the like button. And apparently there's a hype button, which I've not seen yet, but yeah, hit that as well. Thanks for watching. Have a good weekend. Goodbye.